Working with AI video generators, it's this incredible mix of magic and, let's be honest, total frustration. The results can be spectacular, but the process is just so painfully slow. So, what if you could ditch the frustration and just keep the magic? Today, we're diving into a tool that promises to do just that, to turn your entire AI video workflow into a high-speed, automated factory. Listen to this promise from the creator of a new tool called AutoHunuan. This isn't just some small improvement we're talking about. The claim here is that it completely gets rid of the most tedious, boring part of making videos. And if that's true, well, that could be a massive game changer for content creators everywhere.
Okay, so that's the big question, isn't it? A bold promise is one thing, but how does it actually pull it off? To really get why the solution is so smart, first, you have to understand the pain of the problem it's designed to solve.
So let's talk about the frustrating reality for anyone trying to make AI videos at scale. It's a process they call the manual grind, and trust me, it earns that name. It's repetitive, it's slow, and it's the single biggest bottleneck holding you back from pumping out more content.
This is that soul-crushing cycle. You copy a prompt, you paste it, you wait for it to generate, you manually download the file. Now just multiply that by every single clip you need for your video. By the end, you're left with hours of your creative time just gone, and a downloads folder that's a complete mess.
Well, the good news is that grind might just be over. Let's talk about the solution, AutoHunuan. The creator just announced it's live, it's been approved, and get this, it's 100% free. This little tool is designed to put an end to one-by-one video creation for good.
So, what is this thing exactly? AutoHunuan isn't some separate program you have to install. It's what they're calling an industrial-grade browser extension that works right on the Hanuan video website. Just think of it like a little robot that sits in your browser and does all those tedious, manual steps for you.
So how does this actually change your day-to-day work? Let's take a look at what the new automated workflow looks like, because it's about to completely streamline your entire process.
Man, the difference here is just night and day. The old way, you were stuck creating one video at a time. The new way, you can bulk process dozens. Instead of manually pasting every single prompt, you just dump in one master list. And instead of downloading each file by hand, the tool just grabs everything for you in one massive automated batch.
Now, getting started is pretty straightforward, but there is a crucial one-time setup you have to do on the Hun website itself. First, you need to select the Hun i2V model high. Then, and this part is key for speed, you've got to choose the 720p 480p super resolution option. This is what's going to give you the fastest possible generation time.
Okay, once you've done that initial setup, the process itself is just beautiful. Inside the extension, you upload all your base images. Click one little button to sort them alphabetically, then you paste your entire master list of prompts. And then you hit run, and you just walk away. Seriously, the extension takes over completely.
But here's where it gets even cooler. The automation doesn't stop once the videos are made. The developer also solved a huge problem that happens after the fact, a problem that every single video editor knows all too well. It's the editor's nightmare.
You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You've just finished generating 20, 30, maybe 50 clips, and you open your downloads folder to find this absolute chaos of files with names like AGX883 and ZKK552. Trying to piece together your story from that, it is a nightmare.
AutoHunuan just completely eliminates this problem. While it's downloading all your videos in the background, it automatically renames every single file in perfect sequential order. Video 1, Video 2, Video 3, and on and on. This might seem like a small detail, but believe me, it is a massive time saver.
And here's what that means in the end. When the whole process is finished, you don't just have a folder of random videos, you have a perfectly ordered set of clips ready to be dropped right into your editing software, like CapCut, already in the correct sequence. It makes putting your final video together totally seamless.
So by now, you're probably thinking, okay, I need this. How do I get my hands on it? Let's walk through the exact steps to get AutoHunuan installed and ready to go.
Okay, so right now, it's available on the Microsoft Edge add-on store. The creator mentioned this was just the fastest way to get it approved and out to the public. All you have to do is open Edge, find the official download link on the creator's Discord server, and add the extension. That's it. It's a free install.
And hey, speaking of that Discord server, it's way more than just a place to find a download link. It's a community of over 1,000 creators,
And this is a huge resource because it's where you can find and share those master prompt lists that you need to feed this automation beast, helping you get incredible results right out of the gate.
And this really gets to the creator's final call to action. This tool isn't just about making a few videos a little more easily. It's about enabling content creation on a massive scale. It lets a single person operate like a major production house. So the only question left is, when the manual grind of creation